Hello, it's Margaret from Silesian Quilt. Today I would like to show you new templates. You have heard for sure the conflict between the French and British for scallops. I don't want to talk about this problem, but this situation inspired my husband and he made a scallop template for quilting. This template looks like hand, but it's a scallops. So let me show you how I will use this. First, I put my new template on my sandwich and thread. Oh, yes, the couple of stitches first, and I will be going around my new template, my fingers, very slowly. One row, and the second row. I used my I'm using it's I don't know what's happened. My thread is no good, I think. I'm using my golden foot for full motion quilting, and the last row, all time I control my edges. I turn my sandwich and I'm going to the end to finish. Ta-da! It's scallops. Thank you for joining me today and see you next time. Happy quilting. Bye bye.